नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम IIBF BC बेसिक सर्टिफिकेशन लाइव एग्जाम में आने वाले क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर को देखने वाले हैं। उससे पहले यदि आप हमारे इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें, जिससे आगे आने वाले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलता रहे। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है IDBI बैंक इज अ ऑप्शन ए है सेंट्रल बैंक, ऑप्शन बी है डेवलपमेंट बैंक, ऑप्शन सी है पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक, ऑप्शन डी है प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स आर वर्किंग। ऑप्शन ए है एज अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक, ऑप्शन बी है ऑन स्टैंड लोन बेसिस, ऑप्शन सी है टू प्रोवाइड बैंकिंग सर्विसेज टू अ लिमिटेड स्पेसिफाइड सेक्टर ऑफ इट्स ऑपरेशनल एरिया, ऑप्शन डी है एज ए सब्सिडरी ऑफ स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, ऑन स्टैंड लोन बेसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चेक ट्रांजैक्शन सिस्टम हेल्प्स। ऑप्शन ए है इन प्रिवेंटिंग इट्स फ्रॉडुलेंट यूज, ऑप्शन बी है इन इम्प्रूविंग द efficiency of the check clearing cycle, ऑप्शन सी है in proper maintenance of check issuance or payment record, ऑप्शन डी है none of the above। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, in improving the efficiency of the check clearing cycle। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है A scheduled bank enjoys certain special status which include। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है availing refining factor from RBI, सेकेंड है becoming member of the clearing house, थर्ड है हैविंग करेंसी चेस्ट फैसिलिटी। सो सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम दी अमंग दी फॉलोइंग। यहाँ पर आपको करेक्ट आंसर सेलेक्ट करना है। ऑप्शन ए है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ओनली, ऑप्शन बी है फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड ओनली, ऑप्शन सी है सेकंड एंड थर्ड ओनली, ऑप्शन डी है फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड ओनली। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड। यहाँ पर जो तीनों ऑप्शन दिया है वह करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है रिटेल डायरेक्ट ग्लिट अकाउंट इज ओपन एरिया अंडर रिटेल डायरेक्ट स्कीम, ऑप्शन ए है विथ अ कॉमर्शियल बैंक, ऑप्शन बी है विथ सिक्योरिटीज कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन सी है विथ RBI, ऑप्शन डी है नन ऑफ द अबव। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी, विथ RBI। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द प्रीमियम फॉर डिपॉजिट इंश्योरेंस। ऑप्शन ए है इज बोर्न बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, ऑप्शन बी है इज डेबिटेड टू द डिपॉजिटर्स अकाउंट ऑन एनुअल बेसिस, ऑप्शन सी है इज बोर्न बाय द RBI, ऑप्शन डी है इज बोर्न बाय द रिस्पेक्टिव बैंक्स। जहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा डी, इज बोर्न बाय द रिस्पेक्टिव बैंक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेमिटेंस अंडर इमीडिएट पेमेंट सर्विस IMPS अक्रॉस बैंक्स द प्लेयर्स आर। फर्स्ट दिया है रेमिटर, सेकेंड है बेनिफिशियरी, थर्ड दिया बैंक एंड फोर्थ है नेशनल फाइनेंस स्विच। सो द सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम अमंग द फॉलोइंग। ऑप्शंस ए है सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ओनली, ऑप्शंस बी है फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ओनली, ऑप्शन सी है फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, ऑप्शंस डी है फर्स्ट थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ओनली। सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। चारों जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं वे करेक्ट हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है banks are at a time required to freeze the term deposit of its customer on the order of enforcement authorities and the term deposit matures. In such cases, the bank will options A है renew the term deposit without the request of the depositor, options B है ask the depositor to send a request for its renewal on maturity and renew it, option C है transfer the amount to deposit at call account, ऑप्शंस डी है नॉट टेक एनी एक्शंस ऑन इट्स मैच्योरिटी अंटिल द इन्फोर्समेंट अथॉरिटी रिलीज द अमाउंट। सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, आस्क द डिपॉजिटर टू सेंड अ रिक्वेस्ट फॉर इट्स रिन्यूअल ऑन मैच्योरिटी एंड रिन्यू इट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अ सेविंग बैंक डिपॉजिट अकाउंट हैज़ बीन ओपनड इन अ जॉइंट नेम्स ऑफ A and B with the operating instructions of former as survivor. The account can options A be operated by A and B both, options B operated by A only till he is alive, option C है not be operated by A when B instruct the bank to stop operations in the bank, options D है be operated by legal heirs of A and B jointly if A dies। सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा A, be operated by A and B both। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है The outstanding credit balance in small accounts should not be more than rupees। Options A है 25,000, options B है 50,000, option C is 75,000, options D 1 lakh. So the correct answer is B, 50,000. Next question is, when a money launderer introduces illegal profits or dirty money into a financial system, it is called. Options A is layering, options B is integrations, option C is placement, options D is conversion. So the correct answer is C, placement. Next question is, while opening saving bank account of a self-help group SSG, a bank is required to do customer due diligence of dash. Option A is all the office bearers only. Option B is all the members of the group. Option C is all the officer bearers at the time of credit linking of SSG. Option D is all the members of the group. So the correct answer is A, all the office bearers only. Next question is, periodic updation of KYC is done at least once in days from the date of opening a last updation in case of medium risk customers. Options A is 2 years, options B is 3 years, option C is 5 years, and option D is 8 years. So the correct answer is D, 8 years. Next question is, an FDR has been issued in the name of R and S with the operating instructions of former or survivor. R has died, now S wants its premature payment. The bank will dash. Option is refuse to its payments to S. Option B is make payment. Option C is make payment to S with the concurrence of legal heirs of R. Option D is make payment to S and legal heirs R jointly if the legal heirs of R produces succession certificate. So the correct answer is C, make payment to S with the concurrence of legal heirs of R. Next question is, banks levy charge for sending SMS alerts to customer it. Option A is not permitted by RBI. Option B is ambiguous as RBI is silent on this issue. Option C is permitted without any ceiling on it. Option D is permitted by RBI if charged on actual usage basis. So the correct answer is D, is permitted by RBI if charged on actual usage basis. Next question is, the ombudsman under the integrated ombudsman scheme is. Option A is a quasi-judicial authority. Option B is appointed of a period not exceeding 2 years at a time. Option C is empowered to pass an award directing payment by way of compensation of an amount which is not more than the consequential loss suffered by the complaint or rupees 10 lakh, whichever is lower. Option C is permitted by RBI if charged on actual usage basis. So here is the correct answer is A, a quasi-judicial authority. Next question is, the dispute between the banks and the customer that can be brought before the ombudsman may be dash. Option A is not more than the value of rupees 50,000. Option B is not more than the value of rupees 1 lakh. Option C is of any amount. Option D is not more than the value of rupees 5 lakh. So here's the correct answer is C, of any amount. Next question is, an account will be treated as non-performing asset NPA if it remains irregular for dash. Option A is 2 crop season in agricultural loan which have been extended for short duration crops. Option B is 90 days in all types of agricultural loan. Option C is 180 days in all types of indirect agricultural loan accounts. Option D is 2 crop seasons in all types of agricultural loan. So here the correct answer is A, 2 crop season in agricultural loan which have been extended for short duration crops. Next question is, a customer day should be observed at every bank. In this connection, select the correct statement from the following in respect of customer stay. Option A, customer service committee at the branch has the responsibility of noting down all at the complaints. Option B is it is observed on 5th of every month. Option C is a customer can meet the managing director of the bank on customer's day with prior appointment. Option D is the branch manager should be available for customer in his office that day between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So the correct answer is D, the branch manager should be available for customer in his office on that day between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Next question is, escalation matrix is used in complaints. It is. Option is a tool used by regulated entities to manage the escalation process. Option B is used when the complaint is of a serious nature. Option C is used at by ombudsman level when he is unable to solve the issue of complaints. Option D is a procedure to segregate the complaints subject-wise at the receiving level. So the correct answer is A, a tool used by regulated entities to manage the escalation process. Next question is, the definition of financial inclusion currently used includes delivery of financial services. Which one of the following is not a feature of delivery of financial services? Option A is by the informal as well as formal financial system. Option B is at an affordable cost. Option C is towards section of disadvantaged and low income group. Option D is the services include provision of saving loans, insurance payments and remittance facilities. So correct answer is A, by the informal as well as formal financial system is not included in the feature of delivery of financial services. Next question is, it is not expected that the business correspondent or business facilitator will perform the role of dash to a people residing in its operational area. Option A is companion, option B is government representative, option C is philosopher, option D is guide. So the correct answer is B, government representative. Next question is, a business facilitator will undertake the activities which include, first है credit counseling, second is promotion and nursing self-help groups or joint liabilities group, third is follow-up of recovery, fourth is educating people when advising them on money. So select the most appropriate options from among the following. First option is third and fourth only. Second option is first and second only. Third is second, third and fourth only. Fourth is first, second, third and fourth. So here correct answer is D, first, second, third and fourth. Next question is, the basic services which are provided by the business correspondents BC do not include dash. Option A is providing training under government sponsored scheme. Option B is small value payment and remittance. Option C is rural credit disbursement. Option D is delivery of saving and insurance product. So the correct answer is A, providing training under government sponsored schemes. Next question is, the Kisan credit card beneficiaries can be issued dash compatible for use in ATM or handheld swipe machine. Option A is smart card, option B is debit card, option C is general credit card, option D is any of A and B are both. So the correct answer is D, any of A and B are both. अब यदि आप IIBF BC बेसिक सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम के 180 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर का PDF फाइल डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन और कमेंट बॉक्स में PDF डाउनलोड करने का लिंक दिया गया है, वहां से आप परचेज करके PDF फाइल डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। सभी क्वेश्चन और आंसर हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज में अवेलेबल है। इस PDF फाइल के साथ आपको ऑनलाइन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मॉक टेस्ट भी मिलता है, जिससे आप अपने एग्जाम के लिए अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind.